it's Alison on more ramblings of my keto fitness journey. Saw a post on the support group that I'm on last night from somebody that is doing something called OMAD, O-M-A-D, 1 meal a day. And once you get established on ketosis, you find that you don't need to eat as much as you used to on a carby diet, and you don't need to eat as often. So for me, I have my main meal at about 6-7 o'clock in the evening, and then I tend not to want or need to eat again until somewhere between 11 and 2 the next day, depending on what I'm up to. So mine is kind of a 16-8 pattern. With 1 meal a day, you might only just focus late afternoon, mid-evening on having 1 meal every day. Now, it can be difficult to do something else that they call hitting your macros when you only do 1 meal a day. Now, I have to admit, on my keto journey, because I am been doing this for 18 months now, and I'm so well established, and also because I've got down below what I realistically saw as my target weight, I don't track my macros. I just stick to buying products with 10 grams of carbs or less per 100 grams, and sticking to low carb recipes and only eating when I'm hungry, and that seems to keep me on my straight and narrow. I think I've lost 3 pounds in October now, and as long as I'm not gaining, I'm happy. But this lady was doing her 1 meal a day, and she was saying, oh, I won't have hit my 20 grams of carbs in this meal, so should I eat some more carbs? So let me share a simple secret for when you're meal planning. And this is what I've got from Mark in the Keto Fitness Club and the other people there. When you are deciding what to eat for your meal, when you're going to break your fast or have your meal, whether that be 2 meals a day or 1 meal a day, focus first on the protein. Pick a good, healthy source of protein. So it could be meat or fish or eggs, and make that the focus of your plate. You can then add to that healthy fats, and my other advice would be to add to that green leafy vegetables, so things like broccoli, asparagus, green beans. And what I will often do is combine the fats with the vegetables and have something like a cheesy sauce, or something like that with my meal. I used to be a potato addict, so I quite often have something like mashed swede with butter with it. Celeriac I make into chips and I fry in lard, something like that. But the big thing is focus on your protein, let's get this right. Fill up with your fats and keep below 20 grams of carbs. If you're very active, like my daughter is, and she's young, she's in her early 20s, then Mark had advised that she could go up to 50 grams of carbs a day, because she's young, she's active, and she will burn those carbs off. So she doesn't need to be quite as strict as I am as a woman in my 50s, but not quite in my 50s actually. Got 2 months to go, but not far off. So that's my bit of advice today. See protein as a target, see your fats to fill you up, and your carbs that you have are just a bit of a bonus or a side of eating healthy vegetables and things in your cooking from scratch. You get your proteins from your nuts and your seeds as well. Use an awful lot of those in my cooking these days. So that's more ramblings from Ali on my keto fitness journey. Yeah, like I said, where am I now? I'm now 11 stone 4, which is the slimmest I've been since I had children. My children now are 21 and almost 25, so fitter and healthier than ever. I'm also coming out to exercise every morning, coming for my walk. Here we go, look, with my dog Daisy. There she is. And doing that in a fasted state every morning. Go back, sit at my desk, do some work, and then have some lunch when I feel hungry. Perfect. I'll sign off now, as I really am just rambling, and I just wanted to make the point about protein, fats and carbs and how to build up your plate. If you'd like some more support, follow my link to Keto Fitness Club, or get in touch and I can share it with you if I forget to put the link up. And I'll see you on my next walk or on my next rambling journey. Bye.